हॅलो स्टुडंट्स, मी गायत्री सदाफळ पुन्हा एकदा तुमचं स्वागत करते आपल्या लाडक्या यूट्यूब चॅनलवर महाराष्ट्र मिळवर. आज आपण घेणार आहोत क्लास 7 जिओग्राफी चॅप्टर 5 विंड्स टेक्स्टबुक क्वेश्चन अँड आन्सर. ओके, सो लेट स्टार्ट. See the question number first. Write the following statement after choosing the correct option. Statement first is when the air expands it dash dash. Answer: when the air expands it become thinner. Next, fill in the blanks. Second, from high air pressure regions winds dash dash. Answer is: from high air pressures regions winds blow towards the regions of low air pressure. Okay. See the third, fill in the blanks. Third, in the northern hemisphere winds blowing towards the equator due to the dash dash. In the northern hemisphere wind blowing towards the equator due to the turn to the west. Okay. See the next. Fourth, fill in the blanks is the direction of seasonable winds blowing over the Indian subcontinent during winter is from the dash dash. The direction of seasonal winds blowing over the Indian subcontinent during winter is from the northeast to southwest. Okay. Fifth is the roaring forties in the southern hemisphere dash dash. The roaring forties in the southern hemisphere B blow in the areas around 40 degrees south parallel. See the next question. Question number 2 is identify the type of winds from the description given below. See the first. These winds from southwest bring rains to the Indian subcontinent during June to September. India gets rains. After this period, these winds retreat. Answer is southwest monsoon winds. Okay. See the next question. Second, these winds blowing from North Pole region towards 60° north parallel cause cold waves conditions in extensive areas covering North America, Europe and Russia. Answer is polar winds. Okay. See the next question. Third, hilltops get heated quickly during the day. The air in this part becomes hot, light and start ascending. Hence, a low pressure area forms in this region. At the same time, the air at the foothills become cooler and also experiences high pressure. air in that area blows towards the low pressure. Okay, so answer is valley winds. What is the answer? Valley winds. The next question is question number 3. Given below the values of air pressure in millibars using same, draw the diagram to show a cyclone and an anticyclone. Question number 1. See the page number. See the values is 990, 994, 996 and 1000. Answer is, see the diagram. This is your answer. Okay. See question number 2. The values are given here is 1030, 1020, 1010 and 1000. See the answer, see the diagram. This is our answer. Draw this diagram in your notebook. Question 4 आहे. State one reason why. See the question number first. Question first is, a belt of calm exists near the equator. See the answer. First point, a belt of calm exists near the equator because there is not much difference in the temperature and air pressure. Second point is, so winds do not blow in this region. Question number second. See, the winds coming from the northwest in the south hemisphere have greater velocities than the winds coming from the southwest in the north hemisphere. First reason is, see the first reason. In the southern hemisphere, the obstacle caused by the relief of the land surface is almost absent. After that, see the next point, that is, therefore the winds coming from the northwest in the southern hemisphere have greater velocity than the winds coming from the southeast west in the north hemisphere. Point 3. After that, see the question number 3, that is, see the question first. The monsoon winds in summer come from the sea, but the retreating monsoon winds come from the land. See the first answer. Here, monsoon winds are generated due to uneven heating of land and water in the different seasons. Second point is, during summers, the land heat up quickly as compared to water, and an area of a low pressure is created on the land, whereas an area of a high pressure is created on water. Third point is, but during winter, low pressure is created on the water and an area of a high pressure is created on land as it cools down quickly as compared to the water. Fourth point is, winds blow from high pressure areas to low pressure areas. It blows from sea to land in summers and from land to in winter, sea winters. Thus, the monsoon winds in summer come from sea, but the retreating monsoon winds come from land. Okay, तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 आहे, complete the flow chart. See the answers. आपल्याला काय बघायचं आहे, टाइप ऑफ winds. फर्स्ट टाइप आहे planetary winds. Second is seasonal wind. Third is local winds. Okay, in planetary winds there are 3 types in planetary winds. First is easterlies winds. Second is westerlies winds, and third is polar southern west. Seasonal winds are classified into 2 parts, that is monsoon winds and northern east monsoon. After that, local winds are classified into, first is breeze, second is land breeze, third is valley wind, and fourth is mountain wind. So, see the question number next. Answer in short. See the first question. Question first is, why is the air pressure high in polar areas in both the hemispheres? See the answer. First point is, in both the polar areas, the temperature here is below 0 degrees Celsius. Second point, here the air is cold and heavy. Third point, hence the air pressure is high in polar areas in both the hemispheres. Next question. Question number 2. What effect does the rotation of Earth have on the wind? See the answer. First point is, the direction of the winds is influenced by the rotation of the Earth. Second is, in the northern hemisphere, winds get deflected towards right of their original direction, whereas in the southern hemisphere, they get deflected toward the left of their origin direction. Okay. Question number 3. Why do the cyclonic winds blow in circular manner? See the answer. First point, cyclones are created when a low pressure area is surrounded by high pressure areas. In these conditions, winds start blowing towards the low pressure area from surrounding high pressure areas. Second point is, but due to the rotation of the earth in the northern hemisphere, the winds deflected towards the right of their original direction, whereas in the southern hemisphere they get deflected towards the left of their original direction, which causes the cyclone wind to blow in a circular manner. See the question number 4. See the question number 4. State the reasons that lead to the formation of cyclones and describe the effects of cyclones. Answer. Cyclonic conditions are created when a low pressure area is surrounded by high pressure areas. Second is, in these conditions, winds start blowing towards the low pressure area from the surrounding high pressure areas. Third point, the effect of cyclone are as follows. The sky is cloudy, winds blow with a very high velocity, it rains heavily. Fourth is, it may cause loss of life and property in coastal regions. Thank you students. पुन्हा भेटूया आपल्या नेक्स्ट व्हिडिओमध्ये. थँक यू फॉर वॉचिंग.